A metal stamping die is a workpiece that is machined from stamping metal materials. It puts the metal material into a mold and changes its shape by machine stamping to get the desired shape and size. The design and manufacture of such molds plays a vital role in the production efficiency and quality of the product. Metal stamping die technology is widely used in various industries such as construction, home appliances, aerospace, automotive, electronics, etc. The bending process of metal stamping die is the process of stamping the material into a certain angle and shape. This is a commonly used process in which these molds are often used to form parts with bending or bending properties. The bending process of metal stamping dies is widely used in various industries to produce components with bending or bending characteristics, such as the production of body panels, structural components, and decorative parts in the automotive industry. There are many processes involved in metal stamping dies. Various stamping processes are produced according to requirements and specified shapes. However, they both involve pressing a work gauge into a mold to form a shape. Stamping operations have many advantages, mainly including high production efficiency, complex shapes, and good precision. When manufacturing metal stamping dies, there will inevitably be error tolerances, but the manufacturing errors must be within the specified range. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.